Let us see pointers and strings. As you know, string is a one-dimensional array of character data type. Suppose example, char name of 10 equals to RVCE. So here name is an array of characters of size 10 which is initialized to RVCE. String constants are written between double quotes. String constants end with a null character which is \0. A string constant is treated by the compiler as a pointer by default. That is, string in C is a pointer itself. So example 1. So I am including the header file stdio.h because I will be making use of input output statements and declaration for the integer variable which I will be using inside the for loop. For I equal to 0, dereference operator star. For I am a pointer within the double quotes plus I not equal to null I plus plus or plus plus I printf %c star I am a pointer plus I. So how this loop works here is initially I is equal to 0. Then the pointer dereference operator for I am a pointer with I equal to 0. So initially when I is 0, then this points to the first character. So it is not equal to null. Then it is going to print the character at the index I, which is I am a pointer. For that star, if you are applying for the address, then I will be printed. So then I will be incremented, which points to the space, and it is not null, so blank will be printed. So it goes on until the index I refers to the null character, so at which it stops. So if you run this, we'll just run it and check. So this is the same code which was written there. So if you run, you can observe that I am a pointer is printed. Next, if the same thing with instead of I am a pointer, if the number 1, 2, 3, 4, it's an array of numbers. If it is passed as a argument to the pointer, then you can observe again 1, 2, 3, 4 will be printed. So this pointer works on the array of numbers as well as array of characters. Next example here is character star p, and it is pointing to the string a, b, c, d, e, f. So if I printf %s \n %s p and p plus 2. So what you can observe here is when you are passing p, it refers to the starting address of this character string. So you will be getting A, B, C, D, E, F. Until it is encountering a null, %s will be printing the characters. So if I pass the address as p plus 2, it refers to the character C onwards. So your %s from p plus 2, it refers to C, D, E, F. So we'll run this and check. So suppose here pointer p equal to A, B, C, D, E, F and printf %s \n %s \n comma p comma p plus 2. So the first printf has to print ABCDEF, and the second printf will print the character array from C to F. The next example. So the string constant ABCDE is treated as a pointer expression such that the first position character of ABCDE is possible. So suppose we have declared character array str of 20 is equal to hello world. Then if you are going to print a character of this hello world at 3, it is nothing but it refers to 0, 1, 2, 3, that is L. So L will be printed. So let us check this with an example. So here actually this is not required. So if I give printf %c hello world character array, the 6th position character, so you can observe the character W is printed. Now let us see the difference between pointer to a string and array of characters. So first one is pointer to a string. So char star b is equal to the array of characters, which is a string, is double quotes A, B, C, D, E, F. So A, B, C, D will be stored. At the end, null will be stored. And P is a pointer which points to the first character of this string. Now, if it is an array of characters, so the declaration goes like this: char A, opening and closing square bracket equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F will be stored, and the starting address of this A will be stored in the name A. So A of 0 refers to the A capital A of 1 refers to B, A of 2 refers to C. Likewise, it goes on. Now let us see one example for that. So integer main, in that I have char A of array equal to hello. So in this case, it is a unsized array. A is an unsized array which is initialized to hello. So since the size of this array is 5, so A size will be allocated with the 5 bytes. The next is a character pointer to the string. So char star b equals to hello. And next is a array of characters with the size 10, and but it is initialized with the same hello. So now if you go for printing the all ABC, so using percentages ABC, then you can observe the hello will be printed. Now if you go for printing the size of A, and since here it is an unsized array, so for each of the character HELLO 1 byte plus 1 byte for null. So the size of A will be printing with 6. Now size of B, it's a B, since B is a pointer, and since it is a one pointer will be storing the address of memory address of the first character of the hello. So the size of this memory address is of 8 bytes. So it will be printing 8. And the third one, if you see, since we have given the size of character array as 10, even though your initialization is only hello, so it allocates 10 bytes because it's a character. So it will going to print it as 10. Now let us see how this works on two-dimensional array of characters. So suppose char A unsized with each size of each word as 10 and initialized to 3 words 1, 2, 3. And if you are going to printf percentages \n with A of 2, then A of 2 refers to the last word. So the 3 will be printed. Now if I print the character at A of 2, 0, it is going to print the character which is T, which is the first character of the third word. If I print 1, then it has to print H. Now let us see one more program. Suppose char A of unsized array equals to hello, and if I write R into A of 3 and print the string A, then this A of 3 will be replacing 0, 1, 2, 3. That is the second L will be replaced by R. So you are supposed to get the message as HELRO. So let us run and check the output. So you can observe that HELRO will be printed.